Hello everyone, it is Module 6 in MAR2644C, and this week we're working on the proposal for the group project. Now the proposal is just an overview of what you're going to include in the shopping behavior analysis report. Think of that proposal as just a summary that you might give your supervisor to let them know what you're going to be working on as you prepare this report. Be sure to read the course announcement about this activity, but to get started, go to the group discussion forum. Be sure you've read the instructions there, locate your assigned team, and when you open that forum, you'll find pinned to the top a thread titled Module 6 Proposal. Now, this thread is where all of your work for this week needs to take place. You will earn credit for the final project based on the quality and the frequency of the posts that you make in this thread. If you choose to work elsewhere, if you are working on WhatsApp, or if you're working by email, you're not going to earn credit because I cannot review your activity that way. So make sure that you posted here. Do note in the instructions that a minimum passing grade of C requires 3 substantive posts per week. So for this week, wrapping up next Wednesday, I believe it is, you need to make throughout that week 3 posts that contribute to the development of this proposal. There's a description here of what constitutes a substantive post and what does not. So having said that, one of the things that you're going to do in this report, you're going to list the marketing objective that you chose in your discussion last week, and then you're going to describe the reports that you'll use to support that marketing objective. Please note that your task for this project is not to develop a solution or a recommendation to achieve that marketing objective. Your task is simply to provide supporting data to the Chief Marketing Officer, who will then be the one that produces this strategy. So as an entry-level data analyst, you should be able to pull this data, produce a report about it, and describe it in a meaningful way to your supervisor. Now, the reports that you choose, every student has to choose one report and write a complete couple of paragraphs describing how that report informs the marketing objective that you've chosen. It does not matter which report that you choose, as long as you can offer an explanation for what the information in that report means to someone who's trying to create a marketing strategy. So if, for example, let's say you decide to choose increase new user acquisition as the team's marketing objective, everybody on the team has the same objective, then you might find that acquisition reports are helpful to you. But you also could use reports about the audience, or reports about, and you can refine that down to demographics by age, overview. It doesn't matter. Again, as long as you can explain what that report means for your marketing objective. And remember, you have to include an explanation of the filters that you're using, along with the dimensions and the specific metrics. And you'll find an overview of that in the information about the 4 assessments for the Google Analytics certification. So take a look at that. If you have questions, let me know. Keep in mind that you can reach me by phone between 9 a.m. and noon Monday through Saturday. If you miss me, be sure to leave a voice message. I don't receive text messages on that number. I'm here to help.